Effects of smoking on your lungs experiment. Cigarettes, a tube-shaped tobacco product made of finely cut, cured tobacco leaves wrapped in tin paper, were initially introduced in the United States in the early 19th century. It may also contain additional ingredients, such as flavoring agents. The smoke from a cigarette is normally breathed into the lungs when it is ignited on one end and is smoke. The first cigarette was invented in Mexico. Tacos had already been invented. They tried smoking them but found them unsatisfactory, so they invented cigarettes. Cigarette smoke is a dynamic mixture of almost 5,000 recognized chemical components. These comprise both highly volatile gaseous and vapor components known to as the gas phase, and bigger smoke particles referred to as the particle phase or tar. Tobacco smoke contains complex mixture of chemicals, including carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide, benzene, formaldehyde, nicotine, phenol, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, and tobacco-specific nitrosamides. Tobacco smoking is linked to cancer, heart disease, stroke, lung disease, diabetes, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Smoking also raises the risk of TB, some eye illnesses, and immune system issues such as rheumatoid arthritis and many more.
Objectives: to be able to know how this experiment should be set up and carried out, to be able to know what is the effect of smoking in our lungs, to be able to share knowledge to others about smoking, to be able to know what will happen to your lungs. Materials: 4 sticks of cigarette, 1 plastic bottle, 1 syringe, 1 stick glue, cottons, lighters.
Procedure: prepare all materials, equipment, and attire to be used. Use hot round iron to make a small hole on the plastic bottle and on the top of the cover of the plastic bottle. Use stick glue to put the syringe in the hole of plastic bottle. Put cottons inside the plastic bottle for the representation of lungs. Then cover the plastic bottle. Put 1 stick of the cigarette on the hole of the plastic cover. Light the cigarette using the lighter. Then start to pump the syringe. It represents the inhale and exhale. Then repeat the step 6 to 8. After consuming 4 sticks of the cigarette, we can see the changes of the cotton's color.
Observation. In the experiment, we observed that as the makeup smoker bottle inhale and exhale the smoke from the cigarette, the cotton that filtered the smoke is being filled by a brown substance or tar that can harm to our lungs and cause illness such as cancer and many more. Conclusion. This experiment examined on how smoking a cigarette may affect a certain smoker lungs, and it shows exactly what a single cigarette can do. Smoking a cigarette is a bad habit that can cause us so much disease, even especially when someone near a non-smoker smokes a cigarette. The non-smoker is more affected by it because they can't exhale the smoke that they have inhaled. We can choose whether we smoke or not. It's up to the person to decide.